Good. Which date is your interview, IDBI?
The 18th of this month.
18th of this month. In which place?
It is in Kolkata.
Oh, Baba. Kolkata. ठीक है. So now, what is the degree you studied, please?
So I have done BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Which year did you complete it?
2017, sir.
Okay. After that, are you working somewhere?
Yes, sir. Post my completion of my graduation, I joined Seram Transport Finance Company Limited as a management trainee in Siliguri location. I completed 1 year of management training programship in Siliguri location and got promoted to ARM, Assistant Relationship Manager, and shifted from Siliguri to Kolkata. And I worked there. I worked there as a ARM for almost 2.5 years in Kolkata. And post that, I have worked in two renowned NBFC also, that is TMFL, Tata Motor Finance Limited, and HDB Financial Services Limited. Both these experience are in higher bucket collection management. And recently, I am associated with a agri-tech startup called Gramophone.
Gramophone. अच्छा अच्छा नया वाला. I have not heard it. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. And you are now working in Kolkata or where?
No, actually, I am currently working. My base location is Kolkata, but I am responsible for entire East, like Bhubaneswar, Kolkata, and Guwahati.
अरे बाबा इतनी बड़ा जगह. ओहो. Then
actually, sir, it is a startup company. इतना बड़ा दिख रहा है, लेकिन number of cases और volume और pool size is very less.
Oh, volume is less. It's a startup company.
Yes,
what is the main job you are doing?
Sir, I work as an assistant manager recovery. Actually, I am responsible for collection management of entire East location. Like as I said, 3 locations are in my jurisdiction, like Guwahati, Kolkata, and Bhubaneswar. Company have done trade finance cases in this location. I have to take care of this cases collection. Like I have a 3 FOS team. I have to drive this team and achieve the desired target. Like I have to monitor various delinquency parameters, and I have to reducing the cost value 30 plus 90 plus whatever it is. I have to reduce. I have to monitor these delinquency parameters.
Achha, that means yours is NBFC, na kya? Is it NBFC?
No, sir. Actually, it is not a NBFC. I'm telling you from beginning. In 2016, 3 Ahmedabad pass out students are founded this organization. Since 2020, Gramophone solely involved in input business. Like they are selling hybrid seeds, pesticides, and this kind of things. But since 2020, Gramophone does trade financing case. Trade finance means suppose a 10-wheeler vehicle of sale, a 10-wheeler vehicle of Apple, which is came from Kanpur to Kolkata, and the retailer who is going to buy this vehicle, he doesn't have the full money. He has got 5 lakh as a down payment, and rest 5 lakh company funded him. And within 7 days, he has to pay back 5 lakh 5,000. Likewise, this is the simple example of trade finance cases.
Acha, it is like a short-term finance, but
yes,
that is like a bridge finance.
Yes, it is like a revolving CC kind of loan. Like it will be revolved. It will
then where is the need for recovery? Recovery के लिए क्यों problem का क्या होता है?
Yes, sir. I'm telling you, like in entire East, the OD, the outstanding amount is almost 2 CR. Like 2 CR outstanding is there for these 30 or 35 cases. I have to collect back from this amount from these customers.
Oh, and do you face some problems in recovering, or are you able to recover easily?
No, sir. There are several challenges.
Several challenges.
It's not an easy job.
It's a very
specific challenges are there. Like
I know. And in fact, when you are talking about challenges just now, I am reminded of a Google Pay fraud case conducted by young boys like you staying in Calcutta. Are you aware of that case?
Okay. No, sir. No, sir.
Those boys become members in Instagram. They become
Okay.
members in Instagram. They make friendship with people, especially
Mhm.
girls. And then they try to tell them, if you deposit 7,500 rupees today, we will give you some bada amount, itna rupiya, 2,50,000 we will give you, something like that they promise. And believing that people remit money. And those 3 people have been arrested so far.
Okay.
So now what is the relationship between that and this? Here is, in financial world, recovery is the most tough problem. It is easy to give you money like this, but
Yes, sir. But
asking
it is
back
not so
from
easy
you,
to collect back.
recover it from
Not a
you, that is
case
a
of
thing.
fee.
Very good. Doesn't matter.
Yes.
So let it be like this. So now I think IDBI has asked for service in banking and or financial institutions, is it not?
2 years of financial institution or NBFC experience or banking will be also possible.
But you have that, you already have that more. You have sufficient.
Yes, sir. I have 5 years of NBFC experience. Like in Shriram for 4 years, 3.5 years, and in TMFL and HDB consists of rest 1.5 years.
Excellent. Now, what is the difference between NBFC and a banking company?
Sir, basic difference is NBFC banks are directly regulated by RBI, and for NBFC, RBI prepared a guideline out based on this guideline. NBFC are regulated by RBI. Second difference is NBFC are not able to open the savings bank account like time deposits. But
No, no, गलत
but
बोल रहे. टाइम डिपॉजिट्स आप लोग ले सकते हैं. You
demand
can't
deposits.
take demand deposits.
Sorry, sir. Demand deposits like
Hmm.
savings bank, savings account, current account, these things. But NBFC are nowadays NBFC are eligible to take the whatever it is called fixed deposit or recurring deposit. This
Recurring deposit लेते हैं? पता नहीं.
हाँ sir, NBFC. Yes sir. Nowadays
Recurring
in
होता
my
है.
previous organization, yes sir, in my previous organization, Shriram Transport Finance Company, nowadays they are very focused on this FD and RD.
Very good. Okay. Then what is the difference between banks and NBFCs? You have to tell.
Sir, as I
NBFCs are governed by and registered under Companies Act. Banking companies are registered under Banking Regulation Act 1949. Banking companies have to maintain statutory reserves like say CRR and SLR, whereas NBFCs need not register that. Need not maintain that. The bank deposits in the banks are guaranteed to an extent of 5 lakhs rupees by DICGC, Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation, whereas there is no such guarantee for finance for deposits in our non-banking finance companies. Correct? ये सब थोड़ा आप रिवाइज करके पढ़ना है. हम तो कुछ मटेरियल दिया होगा आपका, उसमें से अब थोड़ा पढ़ना है. Good.
Okay.
Very good. Why should I select you? Why should I select you? There are so many boys standing outside. उन लोग से ले सकते हैं. आपको क्यों preference देना है? Why should I give preference to Mr. Swadhin Roy?
Sir, my strengths are I am very enthusiastic to learn new things, and I am very adaptable person. And I have almost 5+ years of experience in 3 renowned NBFC. With this experience, I believe that I'll do my 100% in IDFC if I select IDBI if I select it.
Very good. What is your father?
Sir, my father is earlier he's involved in agriculture. Nowadays he is resting only.
Taking rest. Now who is taking care of agriculture?
Sir, in our village, it is called bhag chas. That means this some of our some of our labor are taking care of this
Acha,
thing.
on contract basis.
Yes, sir.
They do it
It's
on
on contract.
contract. What are the crops
Yes,
grown in your area?
sir. Only rice.
Only rice. What do you know about Kisan credit card?
Sir, Kisan Credit Card is a scheme, KCC card, for doing agriculture or agriculture related things. Farmers are will get up to 2 lakhs of up to 2 lakhs loan based on this KCC card. Also, KCC will provide it in animal husbandry or uh, like these things,
Agriculture related schemes. No.
agriculture related.
You have to tell specifically. Kisan credit card is a scheme whereby the banks assign limits to the borrowers based on the area of the land for cultivation, the crop that is being cultivated, and based on scale of finance for that product, for that grains in that area. Then based on the limit, the borrower can use it for buying raw material, that is seeds, fertilizers, manures, and also for labor. And he has to refund the money within that 1 year period. And if it is done within the period specified, then there will be an interest subsidy of 3% given by
Yes, sir.
state government. So the effective interest rate will be only 4% for the borrower. Only 4% for the
Yes, sir.
borrower. In Kisan credit card, limits up to 1.6 lakhs are given without any collateral security. And up to 3 lakhs, the security is the collateral security is the crops that are grown. Crops that are grown and the mortgage of the land. The advantage of hypothecation. The advantage of credit card scheme is that it is valid for 5 years and it can be renewed provided the borrower repays the loan and submits the documents properly. Good. Now please tell me, what do
Sir,
you
I think
know?
20% of the limit is also used for post harvesting.
नो दैट
Am I correct?
इज उतना तकलीफ उतना डिटेल बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. हम भी उतना क्लियर नहीं जानते हैं. बट यू कैन टेल दिस मनी कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर बाइंग सीड्स, फर्टिलाइजर्स, मैन्यूवर्स, लेबर. ये तो आगे का यूज करा तो पीछे भी यूज कर सकते हैं, उसमें तो कोई अर्जा नहीं है. नो प्रॉब्लम. बट ओनली थिंग इज ही हैज टू रिफंड द मनी टू द बैंक ऑन टाइम. नाउ दिस इज किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड. नाउ कमिंग टू IDBI. Who is the chairman of IDBI Bank?
Mr. Rakesh Sharma.
Okay. What do you know about IDBI Bank? And why do you want to join us?
Sir, IDBI is a very reputed nowadays. Nowadays, it is privatized, but its maximum stake is backed by LIC. Uh, and I want to join IDBI especially because of their allowances. Like, although it is privatized, but their allowances and parks are parks are similar like government bank. That
That's
is
right.
why
No,
I want.
you cannot openly tell like this. You can tell them, I expect my future to be good, my career prospects to be good in IDBI. ऐसा बोलना है. समझ गया?
Okay.
You will not
Okay.
tell openly cash. ऐसा मत बोलना. Very good. Then
Okay.
can you tell
Okay.
me what is the deposit of our IDBI bank now?
Sir, I didn't check that.
You have to check it up. What is the total deposits? What is the total advances? And what is the NPA figure? What is the NPA percentage? They would have given the press release. उसमें से देख लीजिए, prepare करना है. ठीक है?
Okay.
Very good.
Okay, sir.
Now, can you please tell me about, say, what is, say, digital rupee?
Yes, sir. Digital rupee is a special kind of e-rupee, Actually, two types of digital currency is there, like CBDC wholesale and CBDC retail, central board of direct currency. And till now, as per my knowledge, 8 banks are there who are issued RBI permits. RBI given permits to them to issue to transaction in e-rupee.
Good. So now, what is the news you have read in the last 2-3 days?
Sir, recently a cyclone supposed to came in West Bengal, but it is not landfalling in West Bengal nowadays. It is moved towards Myanmar. Cyclone namely called Mocha, name given by Yemen.
Mocha.
Mocha, yes, sir.
Yeah. Which party has won in Karnataka?
Which party won?
Which party has won the elections in Karnataka?
Sir, Congress?
Yeah. Congress has won the elections. Who is Mr.
Yes,
Gautam Adani?
Sir, he's the famous industrialist, Mr. Gautam Adani, who is the owner of Adani Group. Adani Group involves in several kinds of business like Adani Green Energy, Adani Wilmar, like FMCG product, Adani Construction, all are there. He's a
Good.
big player. And
Good. So what is Bombay Stock Exchange?
so, sir, Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange, I think. It is termed as BSE, and in this stock exchange, several shares are listed, and every day these there are shareholding performances they are happening in BSE.
Good. Now, what is the news about inflation level in India? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, inflation, as time goes on, inflation is getting higher day by day. RBI, specifically Monetary Policy Committee, is very much focused to restrict the inflation. Like they have set a target 4 plus minus 2% inflation rate target.
Your answer is wrong. Now your answer should be inflation is under control. As on April, the inflation has come down to 4.7. Why are you not reading the latest news? Hello.
Sorry, sir.
From 10th May से न्यूज़पेपर जरूर पढ़ना है. पूरा पढ़ के मन में रखना है. Anything they can ask from that. I am just asking from newspaper only.
Okay.
Newspaper only. What is the name of the company that raised, say, hue and cry against Adani, Gautam Adani?
Sir, Hindenburg.
Very good. Very good. How many siblings you have?
I have one younger brother.
What is he doing?
He is studying. He is studying in his final year of engineering.
Final year in engineering. Good. Excellent. Then who is your role model? Who is your role model?
Sir, my father.
What are the qualities you would like to learn from him?
Sir, as I told you, my strengths are very enthusiastic. I have learned this quality from my father. Like till now he is learning new things. Like every day he read newspaper, and we are discussing the recent times of news with each other. So this is one quality I have learned from my father.
Very good. Best
also,
wishes.
he's a very hardworking.
Yeah.
Also, he's a very hardworking person.
Best wishes. You are doing well, but thoda aur bhi padhna hai. Why did you come to me in the last minute? आप तो आगे आ सकता था मेरे से मटेरियल लेके. You could have started studying ना. आपको कब रिजल्ट आया IDBI का रिजल्ट?
सर ये परसों का रिजल्ट निकला है सर.
नहीं वो तो you have
2 days.
cleared the written test बोल के पहले तो आया ना 10-15 दिन agree.
No, sir. Actually, I am appeared for IDBI, sir. It's not CBI.
I know
Just
IDBI
2-3 days.
रिजल्ट अभी अभी आया and immediately आपको इंटरव्यू डेट भी दे दिया.
हाँ sir, just 3 days back they declared the results, sir, and
Immediately interview. So everybody will
yes
have
sir,
only
within
less
7
time.
days.
But now what you have to do is you should go through website of IDBI, get to know some more details about it, and go get to know about your own business, whatever you have been doing in your present company, and try to know about the achievements made by you in the present company and contribution made by you to the company. If you are thorough with that, you will be selected.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have a question.
Best wishes. Yes, tell me.
Sir, like on 18th, we have same day we have document verification also, and I have dispute in 2 documents. Like this is not dispute, but like I lost my 8th semester original mark sheet. I have the Xerox copy. I have already applied for duplicate copy, and I have submitted the fees also. Like university website is clearly showing that your duplicate copy is preparing and it will be delivered within some certain of 15 to 20 days.
You show them that.
Okay, this is one. And next one is they mentioned that all the relieving letters of previous organization has to be mentioned. Like I associated with Gramophone since last 2.5 months, like 2.5 months like this. And I have served partial notice period in my previous organization in HDB. As because of this recruitment is kind of immediate and Gramophone has buyout my notice period. That means my notice period is 90 days. I served 22 days only. Gramophone paid me for 68 days, and this amount credited in this month only. After crediting this amount, I have paid to the HDB on mailer communication. They have written that full and final amount is received, and your relieving letter also will be prepared.
So that should not be a problem. You take some 3 or 4 white paper with you with a pen, write down this and give it to the officer who is verifying it. They may take a undertaking letter from you and then permit you to attend the interview, and you can make ready other doc, because you can't give now relieving letter for your gramophone because you are working there, na?
No, sir. You didn't ask me. Like, I have worked previously in HDB and I resigned HDB on 20th February. After resigning, Gramophone used to buy out my notice period. Like Gramophone paid my partial notice period amount in this month only. And I have paid this amount to HDB. Like I'm not talking about the relieving
No.
letter of Gramophone. I'm talking.
अभी का position क्या है? Are you working gramophone or not?
Yes, sir. I'm presently working in Gramophone.
Then gramophone में you are working. The proof is you show them the appointment letter. You show them the salary slip. That will
That is
do.
fine.
That will
That
do.
is fine, sir. I'm talking about the HDB's relieving letter. HDB's relieving letter I'm talking about, sir.
Yeah, you tell them that I have not received it. They will send it to me shortly. I will produce it to you. Undertaking letter दे दो.
Okay, okay, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Please attend the interview. Send me the list of questions they are asking you.
Sure,
Okay.
sure,
Best
sir.
wishes.
I will do.
But थोड़ा अग्री करंट अफेयर भी आपको जानना जरूरी है. What is the present repo rate? 6.5.
Sir,
6.5. Bank rate is 6. ये सब you can get to know from rbi.org.in. rbi.org.in. So what is the shares?
Okay.
You should also know from the website how much shares are held by LIC, like that. More than 98% shares are with government and LIC now.
Sir, as I read, like 41% by LIC only, and rest of
More,
the government body.
maybe government. Yeah. But I don't know. You please go through the website. Website, whatever is telling,
Okay.
you be knowing it. Otherwise, go to Google and search. And you should know about SEBI. You should know about stock exchange. All these things you must prepare.
Okay.
Thank you.